With the dust still settling on Mamelodi Sundowns' CAF Champions League heartbreak, one of their standard performers, Khuliso Mudau, has emerged as a hot prospect on the transfer radar. And it's not just European scouts keeping tabs. Sources close to Sokola Duma have revealed that Tunisian powerhouse Esperance de Tunis are in advanced negotiations to secure the services of the dynamic right back, who shone brightly during the Sundowns continental campaign. Mudau's commanding displays in both legs of the final, despite Sundowns falling short to Egyptian giants Pyramids FC, have only intensified interest in the defender's signature. The former Black Leopards fullback has previously flirted with a potential move to Europe, but concrete offers never materialized. Now with Esperance reportedly pushing hard, as confirmed by Nesma Sport, the 20-year-old faces a pivotal career decision. Sokola Duma understands that while Mudau remains open to a move abroad, his priority is a European switch. However, a strong showing in the upcoming international tournament could broaden the pool of interest suitors from across the globe, potentially reshaping his decision. Esperance, the reigning Tunisian champions and regular contenders on the African stage, are bolstering their ranks ahead of the next season's CAF Champions League, with fellow South African talent Elias Mugwana already on their books. The club appears keen to double down on its Mzansi imports, possibly betting on the chemistry and the quality that South African players bring to the big stage. Crucially, should a deal be struck, Mudau would only be eligible to join Esperance after the FIFA Club World Cup, scheduled to be played in the United States. For now, all eyes remain on Mudau, not just for what he's done, but for the next chapter he's about to write. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.